Bill McRae from the Traffic University. If you are using the Power Lead system, you're not going to need to be able to create web forms. However, if you're using any other type of list building service, including, let's say, like Optimized Press and stuff, you'll have to have a web form that you can create to add into your system in order to build a landing page for people to land on to opt in. So I'm going to go to sign up forms and show you how to do that. They have lots of different types of sign up forms. You can integrate it with Facebook. You can collect PayPal subscribers. You can do all these different things. But I'll just show you how to create a basic form. Click on create a sign up form. And they'll have all sorts of different designs. If you're going to add it to your blog or something like that, you can use those designs. But if you're adding it into any regular software, you probably just need a blank one, which I'm going to take this one that says basic. You can see it really is basic. That means that whatever the background is going to come through the checker box there. I'll load that template. And this is really very, very, very simple. Name and email. If you don't want the name, you just click the X. You got to have the email. You can resize it, make it bigger if you want. If you want to get rid of the Aweber marketing stuff, you can get rid of it. Then you go to save your form. And you go to step 2. So then you give the form a name. I'm going to just call it Demo of Aweber. And if it's a single opt-in, you can go give it a landing page. And this is usually where you put a custom landing page, like let's say it'd be my Facebook group. And if somebody's already subscribed, you can give them the same, landing page. So this might be a sales letter, for example. Or that might be, let's say, your YouTube channel or whatever you want to send them to after they log in. This is where they're going to go after they fill out the form. So it goes to step 3. Oh, we got to save the form first. Then we go to step 3. And you can install the form, send it to an email, or have Aweber host the form. So if you have Aweber host the form, and I sell traffic, so a lot of people want me to drive traffic to a form that looks like this. That's what that form looks like. If I have Aweber host a form, these are not going to work, people. So don't ask to do that. Even if you describe and create a nicer looking form, it's not going to work. Most people come into here and they'll grab the raw HTML, eliminate the fancy styling, and they'll just grab this and they'll copy and paste it into whatever landing page system that they're using. If you're using the Power Lead system, it has its own landing pages. The only thing you'll need to do is add in the list setting description, which is this code number right here for this new list or whatever list you select. So creating a web form is more important if you're using something along the lines of Optimized Press or custom plugins, or you're still building things in HTML. A lot of our systems aren't going to require, because of the ability to just use your unique ID. Even if you're using something like Landing Page Monkey, all it needs is this ID. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Some systems will actually integrate right in with Aweber. They'll pull up all your list, and you pick the list, and you don't need anything. So this is one area where you're going to have to be fairly schooled, because sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't.